Hi, this is Kim from Reality Travel. I'm coming to you from Helsinki, Finland. And it's been raining since I've been here. Luckily, I'm able to take some, there's the train there, able to take some videos, some pictures, not too many videos from while it's raining. You see, I'm right near the train station. This is the building, the condo building where I live, and you're surrounded by different, you got a karaoke bar over there, and it's really nice. I think it's about 41 degrees out, so I'm just prepared, not so much for a cold day, but mostly a rainy day. And so there's a S market right through there. Okay, can you see me? I am just taking a short video of Finland to show you around. You see there is a sushi place over there, and you have lots and lots of buses running. Let's see if we can bring that closer to you. There. I'm not going to go too fast. So, the fitness center. Let's bring this out a bit. Okay, so you have a fitness center through here, and of course, I can't read the language. I don't know Finnish. But you can get an idea of what's in this little area here. Then today is Sunday. Not everything is open. I'm not sure what kind of, I would think that would be, oh, there's lots of things in there, but I don't know what. With the fitness center, I do know. I don't know. You don't have to read to know what the fitness center really is. But this is a nice drawing of the town here. That's really nice. In the storefront window. 24/7, so they're open around the clock. It's a little windy. I should have had my scarf on. Oh, kioski. Oh, okay, this is a little store. Let's see that one. I didn't see that one yesterday. So let's walk a little further. This area, basically, this whole area is nothing but condos. Yeah, it's a very nice area. It's a restaurant, Martin Express. So it may seem kind of gloomy, and that's only because no one wants to be out in the rain, right? I don't mind being out in the rain or the snow, but I can't take very good pictures. If you look at some of the pictures that I posted on Instagram, you'll see they're pretty rainy. But you know, they are pictures, and you do have people out. So again, this is Kim from Reality Travel, coming to you from Helsinki, Finland. So we'll just, I really want to stop in some of these stores. Here's another place up here. That place. Like I said, today is Sunday, so we have a lot of places that's closed. Indian. Oh, really? Okay, I have to go in there and see if it's an Indian restaurant. Yeah, I think, it smells good. Yeah. You see apartments all over there. Restaurant, yes, a restaurant and a bar. Okay. Right, what I like is that there's lots of lots of transportation that's around, and I haven't been here long enough or out that much, but the people here tend to be kind of, let's see, they kind of, can't think of a word, but they like their space. So whatever you call it, they just want to not have anything to do with anyone. It's like, let me move over and I just like my space. No offense, but other than that, they're nice. You know, they do speak. We lunch. Like I said, I don't know what these things are saying, but yeah, I want to turn around and go back to that store because I really do need some things from that store. We'll do more videos, but I want to go in this Indian restaurant, and I'm not here that long. Okay, so I'm touring Europe again, but I'm only doing maybe 3 to 4 countries at a time. But the other country, I was gonna do 6, but the other countries, they're just rain, 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 like this one. I don't mind the snow. I can go out, take good videos in the snow, but last time I was in a rainy day when I was in Paris, my camera got messed up. So I definitely don't want my camera doing videos with my camera in the rain again, because this is not the greatest camera. So this is Kim from Reality Travel, coming to you from Helsinki, Finland. We'll go to the center. I looked at this whole week, I think it's supposed to rain, but I want to get to Helsinki Center. The center always has a lot more going on, so I will take more videos, maybe tomorrow, and post them. Okay, again, thank you for watching my videos. Some of these towns, it's not a lot. Some of them are kind of boring unless you get to the center, but that's okay. I mean, you know, I've always lived amongst the locals. Hotels aren't the greatest place to stay, except for the one I was in. But, you know, it really wasn't like a hotel at all. It was like a home or something. It was really weird, but it's beautiful. Nice chandeliers. Klubi. I see the inside of this place here. And the shoes are off. I don't know what this place is. Let's go up in here. I am just actually, that says osteopath. This may be, it's osteopathy personal trainer. Okay, so we know that's a personal trainer. This is a really nice area here where you can just sit. Kids play here. You know, this must be a place for children. I don't know. But places are beautiful. Yeah, really nice. Okay. I'm like having the same interest you're having, being my first time here, but I like excitement. And like I said, number 1, it's rainy. Number 2, it's a Sunday, so there's not going to be much excitement. Okay, so we know that this is hairdresser place here. Okay. All right, Kim from Reality Travel, coming to you from Helsinki, Finland. Thank you for watching. Suitcase Traveler, Traveler. Next time, bye.